Prepare for the psychological test. There is no better or worse personality type. Each personality has its own special qualities. In today's session, we're going to talk about the phlegmatic personality. What are the strengths of the phlegmatic personality type? They're peacemakers, they're great listeners, they're patient, they're quiet but have a very good sense of humor, and they're emotionally balanced. All in all, the phlegmatic personality type is a person that you could sit down and have a great conversation with. What are the weaknesses of the phlegmatic personality type, or the perceived weaknesses? Sometimes they avoid decisions, they lack goals, they can be perceived as lazy, they have a hard time dealing with change, and sometimes they can be shown as having no enthusiasm. The phlegmatic in the work world. Some of the positives of the phlegmatic personality type: they make great administrators, they're great as a team player, they're great under pressure, and they're great mediators. In other words, if you're in an administrative situation or in an office environment, it's great to have these people there, because under pressure, they can come up with answers and help out the process, although they can be perceived as not taking the initiative to do that. Some of the negatives: lack motivation at times, fence sitting, and doomsday attitude affects towards others. And what that simply means is sometimes they have a negative perception of things based on what they see in other people. The fence sitter simply means that they sit and watch what's going on around them in their environment before they make a decision. So a lot of times they can be perceived as not having the initiative to make a decision, because most of the times they're actually internalizing the situation and trying to figure out what is the best way and what is the best approach to handling it. What are some careers for the phlegmatic? They make great teachers. Because of their patience, they make great postal workers. Because of the fact that they love to listen to people and they're easy to talk to, they make great counselors. And because of their administrative skills and their ability to command attention with detail, they make great administrators. Who are some famous phlegmatics? The actor Keanu Reeves, the NBA All-Star Tim Duncan, the great baseball legend Sandy Koufax, and actor Alan Rickman. We will be moving on through the upcoming sessions to talk about how do you work with someone who has a different personality than you. The psychological test basically allows the career or the company to find out what personality you have and where you would fit into the organization. We'll be helping you answer questions based on where you'd like to be in the organization and understanding how those questions are used.